Alright, London broil today. A little extra virgin olive oil. It's going to be two different flavors, don't mind the flies. This one is going to be just a savory flavor. Garlic powder. Buttery steakhouse. And the black and tan. This one is also getting some of the black and tan. Also getting red jalapeno garlic. Blackened steak. Probably my favorite, jalapeno garlic black rub. Alright, they're ready to go on. There. One there. No point in wasting seasoning. We're going to attempt to do fried zucchini, not that piece, and fried tomatoes out here. Just be told I've never done it, so.
This is a green tomato.
You know what, we're throwing it.
You have to put the pan on the fire.
Put the foil over it just to trap in a little bit of that smoke. Give it a flip. We're doing this just to get a little bit of the smoke, and then I'm going to hot sear.
I double coat mine. You don't have to, it's a preference. Tomatoes are the same. Until they're a golden brown and yummy.
Is it balling or falling?
Ballin'.
Okay, we're now just putting it closer to the fire to get a sear on it. And then we'll be taking it off, letting it rest, and then slicing into it. Alright, the zucchini and fried tomatoes are done. So that area is clean. Now all we're doing is getting just a little kiss more of smoke on both the London broils. And they should be right about to done. So we'll take them in, let them rest, and then slice them open. Okay. We had a little malfunction, so they sat a little longer than I wanted. These should be medium wellish. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, hopefully this one's a little less done. But it has sat a while. Cut a few slices. There we go. Oh yeah. Perfect. I wanted it.
Is it balling or is it falling?
Ballin'.